Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel, and these are our color pencils. Black color, brown color, green color, blue color, yellow color, red color, pink color, red color, sky blue color, pink color, green color, and violet color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ink. J for jar. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for table. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Zero. One. One. Two. Two. Three. Three. Four. Four. Five. Five. Six. Six. Seven. Seven. Eight. Eight. Nine. Nine. A B C D E G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.